In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1022 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see two links there being attached, and it is being categorized whether if you have 64-bit PC or 32-bit PC. Now, how can you identify your system type or operating system? So, at the bottom search bar here, please type for info. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue and wait until a new window, which is this one, to appear. So you can see your OS name, okay, whether you have Windows 11, Windows 10, or so on. And under this one, you can see their system type where you can identify if you have x64 or x32 base PC. So just proceed and copy the link that is being categorized or being in accordance to your system type or operating system. Once you're good, please navigate to the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Now, the moment you have typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, which is this one. Please click on Open to continue. And in a few moments, you would be directed to the Chrome browser itself. So here, please navigate to the Windows search bar and make a right click and go with the paste option so that you would be able to paste the link that you have just copied. So please wait until it would be pasted here. Okay, so make a right click again and go with this paste. If you cannot paste it, you can press Control V key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to paste it. Okay, so copy the link, Control C to copy, and make a right click here and go with the space icon and hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So eventually you would be redirected to this website, which is the mega folder, and you can see there an attachment file. All you need to do is you need to click on this download and wait until it would be downloaded successfully. Once done, please move that to the desktop. In my case, I have already downloaded it. Okay, the next step that we need to do is we need to unzip the file. So there are two ways on how to unzip it. You can double tap to it, and in that way you would be able to unzip it, or you can simply make a right click here on this printer driver application and use your withdrawer tool to extract the file. Once you click it, it will start on the extraction. Please wait until a new file folder would be created, meaning you have successfully extracted the file. So here you need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, and scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So please wait until everything is set, and once everything is ready, navigate to the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please look for Bluetooth and devices and proceed to the third option, which is printers and scanners. Please wait until everything are set, and from here you can see there add a device. Click on it and it will now start on the processing for the addition of device. So the printer that I want is enlisted. Please click on add manually so that you can manually add your printer driver that we have just installed and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this forward arrow, down arrow key, sorry, and use among of these three USB ports, or if you have XP port, you can use that. Okay, in my case, I'll be using USB 001 as my printer port. So click on next. Once you're good, go with have this, click on browse. And since our extracted file has been located at the desktop, then by that you need to navigate to the desktop, double tap to it, okay, and it will show you here the driver. Click on open, okay, and click on okay. So from here, select your printer driver, which is HP LaserJet 1022, and click on next and click on next. So it will now start on the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, I would suggest to allow for printer sharing. Click on next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check this one. And you can also check if your printer is working properly by clicking on print a test page. So go with finish, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1022 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.